So, guys, here in this episode mode, I became out the full stack web development. And like you know, in the full stack web development, our series has been started off the links and they were so yeah, we are learning about it. So, see the video start to it, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also remember for any future latest videos about the Python. So, without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of HTML, I'm telling the HTML links, I'm telling about how to create a bookmark. So yeah, we are learning about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's learn about how to create a bookmarks in HTML. So let's start. But first of all, I'm writing a time. So now let's start. HTML links can be used to create a bookmark so that readers can jump to specified parts of a web page. Create a bookmark in HTML. Bookmark can be useful if a web page is very long. To create a bookmark, first create the bookmark, then add a link to it. When the link is clicked, the page will scroll down or up to the location with the bookmark. For example, in this example, first we use the ID attribute to create a bookmark. In this example, let me copy this and let me come on my Sublime text editor. I'm not using a Sublime text editor now. And from the PS video, I'm not using a Sublime text editor. I'm using the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is a very better code editor, but you will be also use the Sublime text editor because in the Visual Studio Code and the Sublime text editor, there is not any much type of difference. Okay, so now let's click on the file and then click on your new file. Then write your file name. I'm giving my file name should be index.html. And save this file on your documents. Where you save this file? You save this file on your documents. And then create file and yes. And where you are and write here a code. And for writing the code, first of all, you write here starting code of HTML. Like HTML, then body, and then here you write this type of code. Here what we can do here, first of all, we define a h2 tag. And in the h2 tag, we define an ID C4. And then here guys give the chapter 4. Here what we can do, here we use the ID attribute to create a bookmark. What we can use ID attribute to create a bookmark. Then we add a link to the bookmark, jump to chapter 4 from within the page. Now we add a href bookmark, so like that, here you can see it. Now you can also add a link to the bookmark on another page. Okay, you will be also add a link of it. Okay, it is your own choice. Now when we save it, and sorry, I have opened the Photoshop, so this type of page is coming, and sorry, let me close my Photoshop, and then I'm making this page. And now when you click jump to chapter 4, you will be jump to chapter 4, and when you click jump to chapter 4, you can come here like that is doing. And if you want to finish this, let me tell you how. So what you can do now here, first of all, you will also paste the link here. Which type of link? Let me tell you. Like you go on my channel and search my channel like Code with PK, and when you search it and you click on my Code with PK channel, and then copy the link of it here from here, and then what you can do here, close it and then click on your Visual Studio Code and then paste it here. Save it and click on to D here and then run it. So when you click on it, jump to chapter 4, you will be directly going to my channel. Here you can see it like that. Like that you can do it. Now let me minimize it. Chapter summary. In today's video, we learned use the ID attribute, means ID equals to value to define a bookmarks in page. Then we use the href attribute, means href equals to hashtag value to link the bookmark. To do this, let me show you how you can do it. Let me copy this first of all and let me paste it. First, let me explain you the first one. Let me erase this. Okay, let me erase it. Now when I save it and then run it, so it is coming like this, chapter 4 only. So using the ID C4, we will be style it using the CSS. Like we only write here hashtag C4, and here we style our chapter 4 text like color red, then background color should be black, and then borders will be 1 pixel solid red. Let me show you. Save it and then run it. So here you can see like that you can do it very easily, yes. Or you can change using the ID attribute, like this type of ID attribute you can do like this type of things. Or text align should be center, font family should be Montserrat, comma sans serif. Oh no, man. Okay, let me do this. Okay, now Montserrat, comma sans serif. Now save it and run it. So it is looking like this. So you can say like that. You can do it very easily. Yes. Okay. Using the this type of ID. So now let me explain you the second ID. The second ID is like a href jump to chapter 4. Using this ID, there I write like hashtag C4. When I click this type of link hashtag C4, it means like let me save it and let me run it. So this type of one link has become, and when we click this link, so there is coming hashtag C4. Here you can see it. Here is writing the C4. When I run it, then I click it, it's coming like hashtag C4 like that. Now save it and then run it. Here you can see it like that. I am directly going to my second page like this. Okay. When you are pressing it control and then click it, so you will directly go on to the next page. But when you click it only with the mouse, so you will be not show any type of such type of things. Okay. But when you press it using the control button, so it will be gone to your next page. Here you can see it. So now what we can do here, let me make a one file by the name of c4.html, and I am making this file on my where I am making this file on where I make our index.html file. I am making there. Okay, so here I am writing my file. I am writing like here is the chapter 4 body, and now save it and then run it. So when you click it here, so like that you can coming it here. Here you can see it like that. You can do it. So now anyways, let me minimize it and let me minimize it. So you can also add a link to the bookmark on another page. How you can and add it, let me show you. Link, how you can add a link, let me show you. Like I'm giving my file name, I'm writing my file name like c4.html, and then I'm writing hashtag c4. So when you click on this link, you will be directly gone to my this page, and here is coming like here the chapter 4 body. Why it is coming like here the chapter 4 is body? Because in the c4 HTML I write like h1, here the chapter 4 body, like that. Now save it and run it. Like I have told you how to make the file. So using the we make the file, and then when we click it here, we are coming on here like here is the chapter 4 body, like that. Like this type of you will make a multiple page of website. Here you can say like that. When we clicking it, here you can see it. Or you can add here any type of such type of link like your channel link or any type of link. Okay, I write here my file name. Okay, so now minimize it. Chapter summary, like I have already give you the chapter summary what we learned in today's video. Our all example has been ended, and I give you the in the depth. I go into the all three examples. So but I hope you are enjoy this class, and if you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our any future related videos about the HTML. And you must know that HTML links can be used to create a bookmark so that readers can jump to specify part of a web page. You must know that. Okay. And in today's video of HTML, we learn about the HTML links, about create bookmarks. So yeah, here we created bookmarks with the 3 examples. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss over any future related videos about the full stack web development. And if you want to access my full stack web development playlist and HTML playlist, so let me tell you how you can access it. Just go to my channel code.pk. How to open it? You only write here code.pk. My channel has been came. Click it here, and please complete my 12,000 subscriber. Okay, please. Okay, we are very near to it. So click on the playlist, and when you click on the playlist, you write here you will be completed my 10,500 subscriber very successfully. Yes, and now click on the full stack web development. First of all, you access this playlist. Okay, and bookmark it from here. Okay, and access it and see the video from start to end. Okay, then come on to my HTML playlist and see this all playlist of HTML also. Okay, because here, okay, see all the video from here to here. Okay, and bookmark it also and access it. Okay, so now anyways, I meet you in next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.